What tastes better than an Indian sweet with an extra topping of ghee? Today, we are going to make Bachaalu, the famous Ugadi special sweet. Add 200 grams of chana dal to a cooker and 500 ml of water. Add a pinch of turmeric powder. Let them cook for 2 whistles. Meanwhile, for the dough, take 250 grams of wheat flour, a pinch of turmeric powder and sesame oil, a little salt. Knead them well. Make sure the dough is nice and slimy. Add in some more sesame oil and keep them aside for 15 minutes. Now for the stuffing, let's take 1 cup of jaggery and 15 grams of elaichi. Powder them well. Now open the cooker and check the cookedness of the chana dal. Add the jaggery and the elaichi powder to the mixture. Let them cook well together. Now transfer the mixture to a pan and make sure they are mashed well. Make balls of the dough, flatten them and stuff in with the prepared mixture. Seal the ends well as shown. Repeat the same for the remaining dough. Now flatten the balls and fry them well. Make sure to serve the Bachaalu, which is otherwise called as Puranpoli, with a cup of ghee.